Yeah, a Jamaican lie. Yeah, that y'all know it's 2022. We back at it again.
Just which era?
Let's go!
Yeah, yeah, you know, like when a woman fed up, you can't tell her nothing. They always wanna be right on everything, so we always look around, try to snatch and grab to make the woman happy. You can't do it like this and that one. You snatch and grab every day one to try to make a woman happy one. But when they fed up, they hit you with iron skillets and beat you with fishing poles and everything one.
What did you?
Yeah, you know how they do it when a woman fed up one. You can't tell them which way to put one leg in their drawers or nothing. You can't tell them nothing.
Who the hell are you talking about?
Yeah, you know that's the truth one. Like the song say, when a woman fed up one, all you can do is love them. And don't try to love them from a distance one, cause that ain't gonna work. I can tell you like this, it's
It
never
sure
gonna
ain't.
work.
Let's go!
If you eat black eyed peas and cornbread on Sunday, and with them candy yams and everything, the best food you can ever have. You better love your woman, cause when she fed up, you can't even clip her toenails or nothing. You can't even comb her hair, you can't dress her, you can't even make love to your woman, you can't do nothing with
Oh, you know about it, don't you?
her.
Let's go!
Like when she get fed up, she tell you to sleep on the couch with one sheet, don't even give you a blanket. She take the TV and put it in the closet and tell you ain't watching TV. You can't even drink no lemonade. You gotta drink faucet water. You can't get nothing sweet. You can't even get no collard greens, no but a little bit. You can't get no sweet potato pie. You can't get none of it.
And why is that? Let's go!
All day you can do is sit back and smell the food and be like, baby, I'm so hungry. I can't get nothing to eat. But I'ma testify in this song. I'ma tell you like this. When you a broke black man and you know your woman fed up, you better go back to the fields and pick some cotton or something. Cause when she fed up, you ain't never gonna get nothing. You gonna be hungry the rest of your life. This from 2022, back from 1965. You know we some old cats, just like Sanford and Son
And old man Sam
and old man Jenkins when you rockin' a boat.
China Black and Jamaican line signing off this track. We coming soon to bust y'all. You know what? Hit us up, everybody. Be looking out.